All right, Barra update, people. It's going to paint and panel, which is good. I'm just getting all this other stuff out of the way that we need to sort of move around, I guess. I've got the battery. Might need to put the windows up. Fuel tank. See, like, we're still waiting on injectors and stuff, so I was like, let's get it to paint and panel so then they can smash it out. Hopefully, I'm not sure how long, so we'll go to see them today. Wolf Customs, we're going to go through a tour through their workshop and see what they're going to be doing and how long it's going to take to get this thing looking schmick. So, but yeah. So we're waiting on stuff from the fuel system guys. But yeah, other than that, it's not far off from turning the keys, because then we just got to put the aftermarket industry stuff. Just come have a look at this. This is the case this thing came in. I showed you guys before, but I'll just show you again because it's a work of art. Look at the case. It's like doing a bomb. Have a look at that. It's going to be a shame to put it in the car. But all the bits and pieces, everything that we need in here, and some stickers that'll go on the back window. So that's not far off, guys, from that. That is what's going to be making this thing run. So put the windows up. Aircon's bloody blowing. Sweet. Struts, gas struts for this as well, because that's working very well at the moment, but now I can't steer the thing because I've got to open the door. But what we will do, I've got enough room over there. Now, because I'm a full-fledged tow truck driver, I know what I'm doing here, you know. Oop. Bloody starving. Nothing like getting on the ground. Not much room under there. Don't film that. You dickhead. Now, I'm probably doing this wrong. There's probably going to be people telling me in the comments that I'm doing it wrong, but because now you have to have 4 points of leverage, or whatever you call it, tie down points. Someone who knows better than me, than everyone, or thinks they do anyway. And that ain't our problem. They just need to shut the hell up. As they say, that ain't going nowhere. Give this one another flick. All right. Oh, I need to get the bonnet. Bonnets. I'll just strap it down from there. I'll bring the other one back another day. What are you gonna do, right? Long ass wraps. See if that works. Ain't going nowhere, is it? I don't know. Chuck that in there like that. And I'll put another one over the top of that. Righto. lock up and let's get the hell out of here. You all ready to go? Come on, you bastard. Fuck me. Move your f***ing cars! Some truck should not be there. Anyway, what are you gonna do? You can't fix stupid. I've been trying for years. Pain in the arse, those things, eh? Yep, no, it wasn't just you, mate, all right? Oh, you dirty dog. Just trying to pull it back because it's on the winch, it just doesn't go that far. I just didn't want it to roll all the way back and snatch it. Hold in there. Yep, I think that's all right. Think so. Yeah, that's it. There's enough room on that other side for me to keep going. I took a HX back up home and stuff as well, and we put the 4-post on it, and yeah. Mate's uncle's got a tow, Tom's towing, so he's like, yeah, take it, leave it up there because I might get you to do some runs up the hill. And I'm like, no. It's got a handbrake, because the tail shaft's out of it, because that's what that oil's from. That's fuel at the back there, but like that's just from the old hoses. But that oil at the top there's because it didn't have a rear main seal in it, and we poured oil in it. Yeah. And fucking yeah. Just another nightmare. So I had to pull the trans out and clutch off again. I was like, for f***'s sake. Yeah, it was a nightmare, but anyway, we got there. Yeah, like, it's come up really well. I had to change the rocker cover because the PRP, like, core pack is for FG. But Jace from Tough Mounts, he has a few of them, like, powder coated and ready to go. So he's like, yeah, I got one. And it's better because then you got the FG cover as well because the BA has that cutout. Oh, right. So yeah. All right, guys, we are here at Wolf Customs and the panel van shop, right? And we have Brady, Scott, and Connor. Connor's the apprentice. How long have you been doing this, mate?
Oh, I've been here for about Friday 2 weeks ago. So
2 weeks, very fresh then. Oh, that's a go. Now, Brady, you're the painter,
Yep.
Right? And Scott, you are the panel beater.
Correct.
All right, well, there you go. These guys are going to be taking care of the Barra giveaway, which I'm super grateful for. They're going to show me a few little bits and pieces when I have time to come down here and do it, but they're going to be doing the brunt of the work, so don't worry. I'm not going to be doing, and I'm going to be doing a little bit of it, all right? Not much. These guys are the professionals. I'm going to leave it to them. But tell us, how long you guys been open? Because you haven't been open that long, right?
Nah, probably coming up 2 months now.
Yeah, 1st of July we got the keys, so yeah.
Well, that's the go. Well, it's a cracking space, and looks like you got a few cool things sort of floating about already. So, should we go for a walk and have a look and see what you guys are working on?
Bloody oath.
All right, let's do it.
Owner wasn't really too happy with the finish, so we've just sort of finished it off, and yeah, it's freshly painted and almost ready to fit up. So.
And I saw this is in the booth just the other day, right?
Just yesterday, so we've got another run of parts in the booth today. So we've pretty much just got a front end to go now and do some blackouts, and then she's ready for Scotty to fit her all up and hand it back.
Absolutely. Yeah, right. This is a factory colour?
Factory colour, candy red. Obviously the bay already come painted and all that, so the customer just wanted to match it to the bay, so they didn't have to touch that again. So
yeah. Bloody hell, this is right off the gun.
Right off the gun as it sits, yeah.
Good Lord. Well, if you looks half as good as that, mate, I'll be wrapped.
That's all right for then.
Yeah. And then what do we got here?
So this is another one that's been restored at another shop years ago, and the bloke doing it just didn't have the time to finish the fit up. So we've taken it as is, got all the parts out of the car. We're going through them to anything that needs refurb, we'll refurb it. Anything needs replaced, we'll replace it. Get the motor out, cleaned up. Basically, it will leave here a running, driving car. All the trim will be done. And
right. You guys do everything in-house basically?
No, so we'll outsource the trim. We'll do what mechanical we can.
Put everything back together, get it sort of to the point where they run and drive and take it off the tuners and they can do the rest. Right?
That's it.
That's the go. And what is this thing again?
Mazda 929.
929.
Unfortunately, it's not the rotor, but is what it is.
That's it.
It is for sale, apparently. So.
All right. Oh, well, I don't need another car. I'm trying to get rid of stuff. Clearly, giving a car away. I got too much shit. And we got a Mark 1?
Cobra Jet.
Cobra Jet. Yeah, wow,
so
okay.
Yeah, 69 Cobra Jet. Again, had been right-hand drive converted.
Yep.
Look in the 70s by the looks of it. Had some big 70s flares welded on.
Yeah,
So
okay.
I've cut out the old firewall, welded a new firewall in.
Yeah, right.
Then we've cut the guts of it out.
Yep.
Flipped up the heater bubble, made all the...
It's going back to left-hand drive.
No, right-hand drive.
Oh, sorry, right-hand
So this
drive.
is a left-hand drive
Firewall
that I've then chopped in half again.
Yeah.
Flipped it over, modified it to suit, and then we've got to modify all the skirts and
Yeah, cool.
work on the strut tower and...
Right.
Yeah, so just finished that quarter panel last week. Just started on this quarter panel here. Again, he only got the convertible quarter panels, so I've had to modify them to suit the fastback, but that'll come up sweet. So
it looks like it's decent shape at least anyway.
it's not too bad, yeah. So rust-wise, definitely it was pretty good.
Yeah, okay.
It's just dealing with like getting rid of the old strut tower.
Yeah.
There would have been a good 15 mil just of weld to grind down
wow.
for the length of the rails. So that was a bit fun job.
Yeah, okay. And then moving over here, we've got another one.
Yes, this is an X-Dub Fairmont that's going to be a GT replica.
Replica, yep.
Yeah. This is a very, very clean car. Yeah.
Just pure black, no stripes or anything?
Not as far as I know, I'm not.
Yeah. A black with a black stripe would look
100%.
unbelievable.
Gloss with a
satin stripe. I knew I chose the right guys, you know, like we like the same things. It's great. All right, well, let's go for a quick walk around my busted ass car that's in here and see what you reckon the biggest problems are going to be with this thing. And I mean, because I do have another tailgate in here which is in there, but I mean, because it does look like this has been hit. So like, I forget where I was looking. There's bog cracks and stuff all through here. So, I mean, whatever's sort of easiest, I guess, we choose what to do. And I mean, this isn't too bad, but it's got a few marks here and there. But I don't know. Like, you guys.
So pretty much, you want all these welded up too?
Yeah, we want to sort of clean them up, I guess. They're pretty hideous. Won't say who did that, but it's this guy. And then I guess it's just like probably the plastics are probably more like the ones that sort of have had probably the hardest life, I guess. And then the roof. That's the sort of main one. Then we've got the fresh bonnet there as well with the hump. As long as I haven't damaged it, just bringing it here, I mean, that'll be sweet. It'll be going back to the original. And then I guess it's like little clips, and then the bumper, like it's got new lights and everything else is like pretty sweet. But yeah, I guess little clips and that. But
Fix all that up. And then we'll give her a full closed door respray.
Yeah.
Look
Mickey Mouse.
for some lucky winner.
Exactly. That's it. It's I'm just excited to drive it as well. I'm gonna get it done so I can enjoy it for a little bit, you know, like and street it a bit, take it to a few meets, and then we'll give it away on a live stream. So it's going to be pretty cool. But yeah, so I'll have to we'll work out a time when you guys are ready to get stuck into it, and then I can come and help a little bit and try not to anything, which is the hard part for me because I'm hard on gear. But yeah, that's it. Absolutely. All right. Well, we'll leave you guys to it. I mean, you got a lot of work to do other than this thing. So I'll leave you to it. Thank you very much, guys. I'm pumped. It's going to be good. Good job, mate. All right. That'll do it for this video. Hope you like that, guys. We'll see you next time. And remember, every $10 you spend on this on the website will get you an entry into winning this thing. And what you guys have seen here, it's going to be some pretty nice work that's going to come out of this. So stay tuned, guys.